G'day mates, how's it going? My name is Sami and I'm here to talk to you about pretty much anything as you've been seeing from the previous videos. Today's video is about this. Woohoo! So some cool outdoor stuff again, which has been pretty much the line of my videos, going outdoors, doing cool stuff outdoors. But a thing to mention before we get so eagerly started is that it's spring! It's spring! So March is the first month of spring. Spring months are March, April, May. That came actually pretty easy. I usually have to go the whole year around. So March, it's here, it's spring. It doesn't look like a spring in Finland because it's still like minus 10 degrees outside at least, but that's good. Winter is good. So this time's video is doing photography stuff outside, and well, I might say a few words about photography and what photography is for me, because it's different to different people, I'd say. So for me, photography is a way to show how I see the world. Despite the fact that we all live in the same planet, usually, and there is a science, there is physics, there is all kind of that sort of stuff, what makes us humans, we still don't know, are we seeing all things the same way? For example, take this orange. I can see that it's orange, it's round, and I see it as an orange. But I don't know, well, if I ask, then I probably will know, but it's not the complete truth. The point is that I see it in this way, how I see it, but I don't know, will other people see it as I see it. So that's the thing, we all see the world around us completely different way. So my biggest drive in photography is to show the world as I see it through my eyes, because it's different than yours. That's what drives me to take more pictures, show the pictures to people at Laitinen Sami on Instagram, www.samilaitinen.com, go check it out. And it's just fun, it is fun for me. That's what photography is for me. Now let's get into the business and hop outside into the lovely and brisk winter weather, and let's continue from there. Oh, one thing before we go, I want to show you something that is kind of worrying me right now. So just look at this. What is this? I mean, these brown rings in the leaves, they are... Look, that small one, that's almost completely brown. I mean, it's not the whole plant. There's nice and green. I've been turning around, blah blah blah. But no, I just suddenly... That's horrible. What I'm doing wrong? Please help me. So, I don't know what's wrong with this. I've been watering it. I've given it like a... what do you call them? A plant food kind of small thingy that gets nutrients stuff. I don't know what it is that it gets enough light for sure. If you have any idea why my plant is feeling ill, please leave your thoughts in the comments. I don't want it to die. Anyways, now we go. So, I've come now to this place called Vanhankaupungin Koski, which translates to Old Town Rapid. So, there's a stream, a rapid, and it should be on ice because it's cold and icy now. So let's see. Ooh. Oh boy, now this is cool. This is cool. Look at that stuff. Beautiful. And there is even more back there. Alright, I'm getting right into it, so photos and B-roll stuff. Go. Oh man, that's just brilliant! Ow, it hurts.
It's a much better view from here. Alright. I'm gonna set up my camp in here. I mean, just look at all this. That nature is amazing. Back there, the water is still running inside the ice. How cool is that? Oh boy. Okay guys, starting to be the blue hour, which is the ideal point of taking pictures on top of the golden hour, obviously. That this is just something that I really wanted to share with you guys, because I could just spend hours and hours inside of this rapid and taking pictures and just enjoying the nature. And for me, it's photography that I like to do. So when you really find something that you really into, you just don't understand it. It just goes by its own. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that you really liked the amazing icy shots that I took. And I'm heading to another location still when there is a bit of light left to get the shots. So keep creating, keep taking pictures, keep making videos, stay real, love what you do, and I appreciate your view. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, join me, help me to build my career. That's all I have to say today. Peace out, and on to the next one.